Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do puppy eyeliner or so-called downturn eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner for hooded eyes in my opinion, especially if your eyes are super hooded. I know some people that have really hooded eyes, the hood just goes on the way down to the outer corner. If they do the wing eyeliner, it just turns out to look like a hook and is not flattering at all. Now let's begin by prepping my eyes. This step will help the eyeliner stay put all day. I prep mine with MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. Put it all over my lids. Then set it with the Mercier translucent setting powder. Or you can use an eyeshadow that has the same color as your skin tone. If you have discoloration on your eyelids, you can use a concealer to cover that, then set with the powder. In my previous eyeliner tutorials, I always recommend using gel liner for beginners. But for this particular liner, I found using a super thin brush tip eyeliner pen is the best option. This one is Merzy, the first pen eyeliner. It's a Korean brand. If you couldn't find this one, the Physician Formula eyeliner is really good too. Mine is just too old to use. Now I put the mirror at the same level of my eye and look straight to the mirror. With this liner, I just relax my eye and start at the 1/3 of the outer corner, then draw a line along my upper lash line going downwards instead of going upwards like the wing liner. But because I have downturn eyes, I don't go all the way down to the end of my outer corner. I go down and a little bit outwards so it won't make my eyes look more drooping. As I drew the liner when looking straight to the mirror, when I look down, the liner is not straight. So now I'm gonna make it straight by lowering the mirror and looking down. Then I drag the liner towards the eye until it meets the pupil. I usually stop there, but if you like, you can go all the way up to the inner corner. Just keep it as thin and close to the lash line as possible. After that, I connect the end of my outer corner to the line that I just drew and then fill it in. Remember, if you want a longer liner, just go outwards to extend it because going upwards will create the hook, which we don't want, and going downwards will make the eye look droopy. It will look like a flat triangle like so. So now we move to the other eye. Just do the same thing. Remember to look straight and relax your eyes. Make sure to check if the liners are even on both eyes. After I'm done with the liner, I highlight my upper waterline and put on mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. You can stop here if you don't like to draw the liner at the lower lash line, but I like to make my eyes even more defined, so I continue drawing the lower liner. I start at the end of my outer corner and drag it down following the lower lash line until it meets the pupil, just like I did on the upper lash line, so the liner will look more harmonious. Just go slowly and as thin as possible. It's easier to build it up than remove it. Then fill it in so that there's no gaps in between. Then I used the Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil from Maybelline to highlight my lower waterline. With hooded eyes, it's best to avoid the hood while doing eyeliner. That's exactly what we do with this liner. We just create the liner almost parallel with the hood. That's why I think it's the best eyeliner for hooded eyes even when your eyes are super hooded. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.